Welcome to the KOS Island. Welcome to the Paradise Island. KOS is a Greek island, part of the Dodecanese island chain in the southeastern Aegean Sea. KOS is the third largest island of the Dodecanese by area, after Rhodes and Carpathos. It has a population of 33,388, making it the second most populous of the Dodecanese, after Rhodes. The island measures 40 by 8 kilometers, 25 by 5 miles. The principal town of the island, and seat of the municipality, is KOS Town. Its coastline is 112 kilometers long, and it extends from west to east. The main villages of KOS Island are Kardamina, Kephilos, Tinkaki, Antimakea, Mastihari, Marmari, and Pilai. KOS Island has a hot summer Mediterranean climate, with mild, rainy winters, and hot sunny summers. The daily average temperature ranges from 9.5 degrees Celsius in February to 26 degrees Celsius in July. Welcome to the Paradise Island. Welcome to the Paradise Island.